I'm not even done. Alright, intermission, right? Hit. Intermission? Whoop! Yeah, that's what it is. Intermission in 5 minutes. We need intermission. We need every round. Yeah, I know. Like we talked 5 minutes. I was walking my kid. Yeah, no, I'm serious. Okay. That's pretty work. Man. Whoa! You missed. Yeah, no, I didn't even fire. I didn't have it loaded. Oh! I didn't have it loaded. I didn't do anything. I'm like, dude, you didn't have any. Oh, that was bad. Oh, you can still try that. Doesn't take long enough. No, it hit my gun. Don't hit it. It hit my gun. You. No, are you kidding me? Hit the ground. It hit the ground. It dropped right there. You just said it hit your gun. No, hold on. When you fired this way, it hit my gun. When you fired this down, it hit the ground. Oh, yeah. I'm actually getting killed. Let me see how much. Oh, 6 minutes. Yep. Almost hit me. All I gotta do is split. Ah, that hit right here. Yeah, that's a hit. Oh, yeah, that was nice. Yeah, that was a good marksman shot. You got a better aiming gun though. Oh, off the head. It's almost shut though, because in my position, they can't see me. But I'm not moving, dude. She's behind the camera right now, Zach. Zach is behind the tree. Yeah, I'm behind the camera. Oh, shit! You man! Oh, no! That's it. That is a sock. Does that count? Yeah. That is? It hits any part of you. And your clothing counts. Right back on my phone. Oh, shoot. Oh. Hey, spectator! Look at this big bad boy. We're doing Ant-Man. That'd be sad. That is the thing. Alright, 2 minutes. No, not even actually. Yours has better aim. Well, mine is you're gonna laugh when you hear the score. Huh? 9 to 10. Huh? 9 to 10. Who's winning? You. I'm laughing. Wait, this is my gun? Yes. No, I guess you're really laughing because you're probably not too. Someone's gonna miss it too. I'm gonna have someone come blocking with this tiny little video gun. Oh! Block it! Alright. I'm not even trying. Dude, don't drop my gun. Huh? Don't drop my gun. Sorry. I was bad. seconds. Alright. 3, 2. Alright. Round's over. Stop it. I got the victory. Round's over. 10-9. Actually, no. 10-9.
I hit you.
I didn't. It's 10-10.
10-10. That's a tie.
Tie, brother.
That's a
I
tie.
didn't even use my big gun.
That's one video. We'll see. Catch us next time at round 2.